So when we talk about engine, I think everyone knows that Wowza Streaming Engine is the world's most reliable streaming media server. And I know that from experience because I haven't just joined Wowza recently, but I actually built an entire business on top of Wowza Streaming Engine. So the ability to input sources, the ability to customize them. I mean, as a user, I customize Wowza incredibly to actually meet the needs of my company. And then ultimately having the ability to send that out to any CDN, completely flexible, any output device. Wowza Streaming Engine has been an absolutely incredible piece of software that's been around for probably almost 20 years now. And I've been telling people that Wowza Streaming Engine, it's almost like it was created to get ready for the AI era, right? And when we talk about that, we talk about things like leveraging existing compute. Right. So if you're using an NVIDIA GPU or you're using, ARM for cost, we've got you covered. And then you can deploy it anywhere, right? So whether it's on-prem, cloud, hybrid, we've got a solution for any one of these types. And then, of course, everything is cloud native, so we get you up and running very quickly. And we've always had a developer-first approach, right? So we're talking about powerful APIs, SDKs, world-class documentation. We really do get you up and running quickly. World-class support. I joined Wowza a few months ago, and I quickly realized how good the support team was, right? So I always knew how good support was, but even when I was using Wowza as a user years ago, we were always able to rely on the forums and able to rely on the support team. But like when we needed help, Wowza was always there, and that continues to this day. So we've got the APIs, we have the SDKs, but there's also, I can build on top of Streaming Engine, and we've got clients that have built incredible pieces of software on top of Engine, and that continues to this day. And now we're able to extend that. So what this comes down to is that Wowza Streaming Engine has really been ready for AI for many years, and we've taken advantage of it, and you're actually going to see a lot of updates over the next few months that really showcase this. And when we talk about, what's really driving the next era of video streaming, we're talking about unprecedented video supply and demand. It's driven by AI, but it's also driven by the prevalence of all video-enabled devices, right? Pretty sure my toaster took a picture of me this morning when I was getting, my breakfast. And that's only going to continue more and more. And we're seeing that from our clients, people giving us use cases where videos, is being brought in from an incredible, exotic amount of devices. And we're able to take that into Streaming Engine, process it, and then ultimately talking about things like adding on-device intelligence. So whether it's directly on the device or as close to the edge as possible, we can do things like AI monitoring, subtitling, content moderation, and more. But we still have concerns about cost and deployment control and flexibility and reliability.